In 1683, the city of Vienna stood on the brink of annihilation. Besieged by Ottoman forces under the leadership of Grand Vizier Kara Mustafa, the city's defenders, led by the valiant Polish King Jan III Sobieski, faced dire circumstances as the siege persisted. Amidst the growing despair, a glimmer of hope emerged. A united Christian coalition, representing various European powers, answered Vienna's call for aid. With Sobieski at its helm, this coalition embarked on a journey to lift the Ottoman siege. As the summer of 1683 unfolded, the Christian forces arrived at the Kahlenberg Hill overlooking Vienna on September 12th. A breathtaking sight unfolded. 20,000 cavalrymen arrayed in a glittering formation, ready for battle, with their banners waving. And their hearts resolute, they prepared to charge. At dawn's first light, the earth shook as the cavalry descended from the Kahlenberg Hill. With King Sobieski leading the charge, the clash that followed was nothing short of epic. The Ottoman defenders were taken by surprise as the Christian forces surged forward with unparalleled determination. The battle raged on, and the air was filled with the clash of steel and the roar of war cries. Sobieski's leadership and the unity of the coalition proved formidable, turning the tide against the Ottomans. The Ottoman siege, which had held Vienna captive for months, began to crumble under the relentless assault of the Christian forces. As the sun set on that fateful day, the Ottoman forces were in disarray, their dreams of victory shattered. The united Christian coalition emerged victorious, breaking the siege of Vienna and securing a pivotal turning point in history. The battle's significance extended far beyond Vienna's walls. It marked the halt of the Ottoman advance into Europe and symbolized the power of unity, courage, and unwavering determination in the face of adversity. The Battle of Vienna, fought on September 12, 1683, stands as a testament to human resilience and the ability to overcome overwhelming odds. The cavalry charged down the Kahlenberg Hill, led by King Sobieski, remains etched in history as a defining moment that shaped the course of Europe and the world. Thanks for watching. It is requested to please like this video and also subscribe our channel for more videos.